Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video from the Palestinian School in Qatar. This is Mr. Abdullah Shurab and today inshallah we will talk about the 6th grade English for Palestine students book and we will discuss the last two periods in Unit 6, healthy food. So please open your books page 46 and 47 and let's start. These are our pages. We have lots of activities and inshallah it will be a very amazing class. Let's start. This is the first activity. Read and write. You can consider it as a game. You can do it if you are at class. In the class, you take your book and go around the class, ask three friends about what's their favorite food and what food they don't like, and write their name here. I wrote some examples. You can write them or you can write your friend's name. Okay, what's your favorite food? They will say, for example, fish. What food don't you like? Burger, for example, and so on. You have to write them and pick your answers or ask and answer about food, healthy food, not healthy food, whatever. Okay, it's a very exciting activity if you do it during the class. Let's move to the next activity. Think and write the correct sentences. Here is Ben, and he told us that remember, use the capital letter at the start of the sentence. We know this. Use a full stop at the end of the sentence. Okay. Give good advice. How can we give good advice? We have to use should. I told you that we use should to give good advice. Use the word because to give a reason. Sorry. So as I told you before, we use because as a word joining two sentences to give a reason. Okay, let's see this example, and you have to do this one by yourself. My favorite food is burger and fried potatoes. Ben said, okay, lots of fried food makes fat and not healthy. So you need to make a correct sentence from these words. Okay, let's see. It's an advice, so you shouldn't eat lots of fried food. Fried food makes you fat and it is not healthy. Where can we use because? What do you think? We have to put because here. So we have to say because, okay? Because fried food makes you fat and it is not healthy. The second one, pause the video and try to answer it by yourself. You lots of salads, vegetables, healthy, and then check your answer. We have to use because to join between the two sentences. So let's see. You should eat lots of salad because vegetables are healthy. Okay, this is an example of using because in advising someone about what should and what shouldn't they eat. Okay, pause the video, write the correct answer. Okay, think and write sentences about your friend's food and drink. What do you think? How can we write sentences about our friend's food and drink? I wrote a sample, you can use it in writing and you can write whatever you want, talking about your friend's food, what they like and what they don't like. For example, my friend space likes to eat space and space because they are healthy and makes us strong. But he or she doesn't like to eat space and drink space because they are not healthy. This is an example. We can write or follow any name we want to write. For example, my friends Anna likes to eat burger and fruit salad because they are healthy. No, we can't write burger here. Fruit and vegetables because they are healthy and make us strong. But she, because she's Anna, she doesn't like to eat burger and fizzy drinks because they are not healthy. You can write whatever you want, you can change it, and this is just an example of to help you to write the sentences about your friend's food and drink. Let's move to the fourth one. Write the words, practice your handwriting. Of course, it's practicing for handwriting. Don't write in 2 lines, you have to write in 4 lines. These are the main lines, but we have to write on 4 lines to write in a good handwriting and be sure that our notebooks and copybooks are tidy and okay. Write on 4 lines these words and let your teacher check your handwriting. Let's move to period number 8. Read and complete the sentences. Check your spelling. So it's filling the gaps. We have some pictures here. Small burger, big salad, triangle, food pyramid, and the top of the food pyramid, someone drinking water, and we have here the food pyramid with vegetables, fruit, bread, rice, pasta, meat, fish, chicken, eggs, nuts, milk, and cheese, and at the top, oils and sweets. Let's fill the gaps. Try to pause the video, answer them, then check your answer. This is better to make sure that you understand all the words from this unit. 1. You shouldn't eat big space because they make you fat. What makes you fat? Salad or burger? Salad. So you shouldn't eat big burger because they make you fat. You should eat lots of salad because it's healthy. Very good. Let's see two. You shouldn't eat lots of space food. You can see this food at the space of the food pyramid. At the what? At the top of the food pyramid. What can we find? What type of food? Fried food. Excellent. Because it's not healthy. 3. You should only eat space ice cream. What do you think? Should. With not healthy food, we have to use the word a little ice cream because it's very sweet. 4. Hassan says, I don't like space. I space to drink water. So we are talking about drinks. 2 things. So you have to choose between 2 things. This word means prefer. Okay? I don't like fizzy drinks. I prefer to drink water. Very good. 5. Vegetable space is good to eat. What do you think? Easy. Vegetable soup is good to eat because it's healthy. It's a healthy food. Okay? It's a healthy food. 6. The space shows you food that is healthy and food that is not healthy. What is this? What do you think? The food pyramid shows you food that is healthy and food that is not healthy. It gives you good advice. Very good. The last sentence. The space of the food pyramid shows you that you should eat lots of rice and meat. Where can we find them? On the bottom of the food pyramid. Hope you answer all questions correctly. And with the last activity, work in groups of 3 or 4 in the class or at home. Make a poster showing food that is healthy and not healthy. You should eat lots of fruit. You should sometimes eat fried food. You shouldn't. You shouldn't eat lots of sweet food. You should eat a little ice cream and you should drink lots of water. You can write them and draw some pictures, whatever you want, and be sure to send picture if you are at home to your teacher, showing him or her that you did this activity and the practice the last thing in this unit. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. These are my lovely students doing their own posters in the class. See you inshallah next video. This is Mr. Abdullah Sharrawi from the Palestinian School. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.